Alright guys, I'm getting ready for my gravy guys. As you can see, I have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil inside of my frying pan, which is already heated. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some chicken season, being that we want to make the chicken gravy guys. So you use that, and then you're gonna use the whisk to whisk it around. Make sure you get that evenly distributed guys. And then what you want to do, which you already have it measured, you want to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of flour. And then you want to add some water guys, little by little. Guys, as you can see, I have my chicken gravy right here. And I did have the fire on high. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I did go ahead. I know you guys all see the steam. So I did go ahead and have it on simmer now, which is low heat. So let it simmer. So we're gonna let it cook guys. As you see, that's a chicken gravy. So stay tuned while we have the food plated.